In one way or another, almost every organization in the world today, from healthcare to business to government, relies on data. The movement toward big data is well beyond its initial stages, but we are only beginning to capitalize on its potential to transform our applications. Companies continue to shift their time and resources toward efforts to effectively harness the massive amounts of data available to them. However, not all of these companies have taken the next step of applying machine learning to their mountains of data to identify relationships in that data and make smart, impactful decisions. Integrated ML is a feature of InterSystems Iris that will help teams without dedicated ML experts to implement machine learning. This feature will also give developers the tools they need to build machine learning-enabled applications that leverage rich datasets. Using just 3 SQL statements, developers can create, train, and execute predictive models that make predictions on incoming data. And they can do this in conjunction with best-in-class third-party platforms like H2O and DataRobot. Developers can build these predictive models directly from applications in InterSystems Iris, using existing table data available to that application. And most importantly, this can be done without specific knowledge of machine learning concepts, such as how to best engineer features or how to select the right algorithm. Integrated ML provides specific SQL syntax tailored to machine learning, including statements for creating, training, and executing predictive models on table data. Developers have several options when it comes to training and testing these models. One seamless choice is InterSystems' proprietary AutoML engine, which is built directly into Integrated ML. Connecting to other popular third-party engines, such as H2O and DataRobot, is also possible. The engine of choice, known as the provider in Integrated ML, engineers your features, tests different algorithms, and runs calculations on training data to build the predictive model that an application will use. Now, keep in mind, Integrated ML does not replace the role of data scientists. Many machine learning applications strive to solve problems that require the expertise of experienced data scientists, and in many cases, more detailed domain expertise. For instance, an expert in automobile manufacturing may be needed to better identify what features can be added or created to give a predictive model the right data to solve a problem within that industry. While Integrated ML can get you off the ground quickly, your models can always be enhanced with the input of these experts. However, since data science positions can be difficult to fill, machine learning responsibilities can end up on the plates of application developers and business intelligence analysts. These developers and analysts can often be tasked with finding third-party tools, connecting them to their data sources, preparing their data to run through such tools, learning how to create models, and, dauntingly, implementing and executing those models on live application data. Finally, those barriers have been removed. With the seamless SQL access to machine learning that Integrated ML provides, there is nothing stopping your application from producing smarter, machine learning-based results.